Lemon bars, sweet, tart, with a buttery shortbread crust. What can go wrong? Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Okay, we're going to start making the crust, and what we're going to need is a baking sheet that is about 8 by 8 or 9 by 9. I'm using 9 by 9 today, and just line it with parchment paper, and I put it over the sides just a little bit so it's easier to get it out of the pan once it's done. We're going to go ahead and set that aside and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to get a medium mixing bowl out, and we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to mix those together real quick. Now we're going to take 1 stick of butter or a half a cup of butter, unsalted. Make sure it is cold, ice cold actually. Cut it into cubes, and then we're going to go ahead and just add that into our flour mixture we just did. Now you can cut this in with a pastry blender, 2 knives, a fork, or just use your fingertips. Mix the butter in until the butter is about pebble size into the flour. Okay, now that we've cut it all in and all the butter is mixed in a little bit, looks like little pebbles. We still want the butter to be somewhat formed. We're going to go ahead and grab our lined baking sheet, and we're going to just pour that right in. Now just kind of spread it out. Now that we've got it all pressed down, it's all even, we're going to go ahead and put it in that preheated 350 degree oven for approximately 18 to 20 minutes or until lightly golden brown. All right, we just got the crust out of the oven after being in there for only about 18 minutes. It looks nice and golden brown on the edges. We're going to go ahead and grab a large mixing bowl and a whisk. Now we're going to be making the lemon filling now. Let's grab 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to go ahead and just whisk those together until they're incorporated. We're going to take 4 large eggs, but we're just going to add 1 at a time and kind of whisk it through a little bit at a time. Okay, now that we've got that incorporated, try to make sure you get all of the lumps out and make sure it's smooth. Now we're going to add a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. It took about 2 to 3 lemons to get a half a cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. We're just going to mix, try to get all the lumps out. Now that we have the crust, we're going to go ahead and take this topping and just pour it all on the top. And the oven is still on 350, so we're going to go ahead and put it back in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we're going to just check it after the 20-minute mark. You want the edges to be kind of golden brown, but the center still a little jiggly. So we'll get back to it in 20 minutes. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. It's got the golden brown edges. Okay, so we're just going to let this cool till about room temperature. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before cutting it. Okay, the lemon bars have been refrigerated for over 2 hours now. I sprinkled powdered sugar on the top of them and just cut them into bars. So the next step is to just have David taste one of them. Let's get David in here. David! Hi, Buck. Hi, Dave.
You haven't made these in a while.
I have not.
No. I get it if people don't like lemon bars. They're kind of sour. But man, they're so refreshing.
Kind of like gooey in the center. Watch out for the powdered sugar.
Ooh. My cheeks are going in. Yeah, tart. Very good. Oh, they're so good. They're so good.
It's good, and the shortbread is soft.
Yep,
it's
not too
like
thick.
Too thick and crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really sweet.
Very good.
With a little tang.
Gets in your teeth. Yeah, it's in the teeth a little bit. But it's good.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Have a great day.
Have a sour day. Have a lemony day.
No, don't have a sour day.
No, these are good. They're good sour.
Have a great day, guys.
Bye.